Did you know that Apusher's mini app lets you earn real money while playing a fun and simple game? You collect raindrops, sell them, and invite friends to boost your earnings. And here's the kicker. The more friends you invite, the more everyone earns. Sounds like a great way to monetize your time, right? Welcome to Crypto Explainer, where we break down the latest trends in crypto, apps, and digital marketing, helping you grow your online income. Whether you're just getting started or looking for new strategies to take your earnings to the next level, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our tips. The Apusher Mini app is all about combining fun with real financial rewards. The core of the game is simple. You collect raindrops, each equivalent to 1 milliliter of water. Your mission is to sell these drops to customers across 22 levels. Each customer requires you to fill a container, ranging from mugs to massive water tanks. The more containers you fill, the more points you earn, and those points can translate into real-world earnings. But the real power of the mini app is in its two-level referral system. This system allows you to earn income in multiple ways. User 1 invites User 2 and earns from their activities. User 2 invites User 3, and now both User 1 and User 2 earn from User 3's activities. This means you can benefit from both direct and indirect referrals, increasing your earning potential exponentially. Plus, if you bring influencers or content creators into the fold, their wider reach can boost your earnings even more. Effective ways to promote your Apusher referral link. Now, if you're wondering how to get the word out and invite as many people as possible, here are some tried and true strategies. Method 1. Instagram. Create engaging posts that showcase how easy it is to earn with Apusher. Follow this up with an email campaign linking to your Instagram post and including your referral link. Make sure your content resonates with your target audience. Method 2. Email marketing. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to reach a massive audience. We've already got a database of 40 million emails ready to go. Pair that with data scraping tools and you'll be able to target the right people for your promotion. Method 3. Telegram inviting. Build a Telegram group focused on the Apusher Mini app. Use bots like Rose to manage new members and pull people from other crypto and gaming-related chats. Method 4. Paid Telegram mailings. For a wider reach, try paid Telegram mailing services. CoinMarketCap's groups are great for reaching active crypto enthusiasts. We've got lists of active users in gaming and crypto chats to give you a head start. Method 5. Commenting on influencer posts. Find influencers in your niche, crypto, gaming, etc., and leave insightful comments on their posts. Focus on influencers with 5K to 25K followers. Their audiences are often more engaged and will be more likely to click on your link. Method 6. Direct messaging influencers. Reach out directly to influencers via DMs and invite them to try Apusher. Even a few high-quality influencers sharing your link can lead to a significant growth in your referral network. Milestone Rewards. As Apusher continues to grow, so do your opportunities for earning. The platform has some exciting development milestones. 100K users, enhanced features, and smoother gameplay will become available as the app expands. 1 million users. Your rewards for inviting new users will significantly increase. 50 million users. The bigger the community, the bigger the rewards for your commitment to promoting Apusher. Apusher platform launch. And that's not all. Apusher has ambitious goals, aiming for 1 billion users. The more the app grows, the more potential you have to earn. To recap, Apusher Mini app offers fun and income by collecting raindrops and selling them to customers. The two-level referral system maximizes your earnings through direct and indirect referrals. You can promote your link via Instagram, email marketing, Telegram, influencer engagement, and more. As Apusher hits milestones like 100K, 1 million, and 50 million users, the rewards keep growing. That's it for today's video. If you're excited to start earning while having fun, don't wait. Download the Apusher Mini app, invite your friends, and dive in. Thanks for watching Crypto Explainer. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to grow your online income. See you in the next one, and good luck promoting your referral link.